5 lectures. 22 minutes. Production Agentic AI on plain Kubernetes, using only open-source components. Here's what you'll learn. Lecture 1. The Agent Loop. Plan, tool, observe, answer. The cycle that powers every modern agentic system, plus the 10-pod open-source stack you'll build. Lecture 2. One Helm chart. 7 services, plus the 4 real operational gotchas the chart absorbs for you, so you can install and forget. Lecture 3. Stop hard coding tools. Model Context Protocol turns one agent process into 3 independently scalable services with their own credentials. Lecture 4. Sub 100 millisecond search. Delta tables on Minio registered in Unity Catalog open source, plus Qdrant vector search, the entire lakehouse, reproducible from manifests. Lecture 5. Ship to production. Istio Gateway exposes 7 services on clean host names, and a nightly MLflow cron job scores agent answers with LLM judges. Watch the playlist. Build production Agentic AI.